All right, back on Bryan's 67 Imperial. We've got the pulley that we got from Sean. I kind of spruced it up with a little bit of paint. But as you can see, everything lines up. So we are going to be happy camper. It's going to be nice. It's going to be real nice. So, on to installation. Pulley is bolted down. Start putting belts back. Now for the power steering, we did have to get a bigger belt because the diameter of the power steering pulley on the crank is slightly larger on the solid pulley as opposed to the elastomered pulley. So I ordered a couple belts in various sizes and we're gonna make it happen. All our belts are back on, and ironically, the belt that was for the water pump fit perfectly for the power steering, and the one that was for the power steering fit for the water pump. So, done deal. No additional cost to Bryan. Happy, happy. All right. Now we put fan shroud, fan, hoses, coolant, done. Up and running. All of our belts are on. Everything's nice and tight. Compressor's working. Radiator's filled. I topped up expansion tank. We are back on the road. New balancer. All the goodies. All the goodies. All right. Test driving the 67 Imperial. New balancer. New crank pulley. Got the air on. You name it, we got it. Styling, boys and girls. Until the speedo doesn't work. I'm gonna let Bryan know about that. It's funny that the speedo doesn't work, but the odometer and the trip meter are rolling. Fun. It works, but the speedo doesn't. Oh, now it decides to work. See, I just had to talk enough shit about it, and I guess it works.